Alright, so now I'm going to show you a demonstration. This is not something to try at home, but I've got a high voltage power supply that I built here, and I'm going to show you that the gelatin here that I have hooked up via this pin is now acting as a conductor. It's almost like a metal plate now, and it's going to be attracted to the electricity coming out of this nail here. And no matter where I move it, the electricity is going to be attracted to that conductor, to the gelatin. Nothing happens if I'm not near the Jell-O, but if I'm near the gelatin, it's attracted to the gelatin. It completes a circuit.